Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about how Freddy the Sailfin Pleco can be more of a hindrance than a help to your community ecosystem. And firstly, if you want to have plants in your aquarium, it's a bit of a no-go with a Sailfin Pleco in there, because they'll reroot your plants and unroot them, so that's not the best idea. Plus, they are massive waste producers, and in order for the ecosystem to thrive, you need lots of plants. And of course, I was saying that they unroot them, and there's bacon. Okay, so you need the plants to absorb the ammonia, and of course, Freddy produces a lot of waste. Which produces a lot of something called ammonia, which can be very harmful to your fish, and in some cases can kill them. But the problem is that if he is always unrooting these plants, then what are we going to do? He'll just keep unrooting them, which is a bit of a problem. Another thing is their size. They are very big. I've seen them about 1 metre long in like aquariums. He's just coming out now, and even in moving there, he's got his fin up. He's unsettling the plants, and he's already killed a few of our shrimp by just swimming around. So he can be a bit of a tank, if you know what I mean. And he's not a good beginner fish.
Tank the armoured
He did. Not too long ago, which was a bit sad. And you can just see him there charging across like, get out of my way. He's not the best community fish. No fish would mess with him because he'll just spike them and kill them, or just squash them. But they are overall not a good beginner fish for beginners. And I would
need
not
a large
recommend
aquarium for them.
Yeah. At the moment, this is adequate, but a couple of years' time, he'll soon outgrow this, and we'll need to get an even bigger tank. So that's why I don't think the Sailfin Pleco is the best fish for beginners, really. They're quite hard to keep as well, because they've got the tank size and what you can keep with them, because
the amount of waste they produce.
They're just not overall a good fish for beginners. So, if you've enjoyed this video...
In some countries, they're actually considered an invasive pest.
Yeah, well, they reproduce a lot, don't they?
Yeah.
They're quite invasive.
Yeah,
the swamps.
Disrupt natural habitats,
yeah.
Especially when people sort of can't cope with them and dump them in streams and things.
But when they're babies, they look like cool little alien fish, don't they?
Well,
they're quite nice to have, but they just sprout up. We only got Freddy a couple of years ago, and he was like that big when we got him, but now he's not that big. Camera might not pick it up that big though.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe to the tanks. No, I mean Teddy's Creatures. That's not even a YouTube channel. And I shall see you in the next one. So it's bye from me. It's bye from the fish. And it's bye from you, Daddy, isn't it?
Yeah, bye for me. Don't forget to follow Nature, which is my channel, and Teddy's also on that channel as well. And we've got another channel called Out and About TV, and that's at Out and About UK TV. If you want to check that one out. Okay, thanks for watching.
See you in the next one. Bye bye.